To reset the maintenance monitor in your 2022 Infiniti QX60, you'll want to utilize the vehicle information display, or in the case of this vehicle with the 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, you'll want to use the cluster to adjust the maintenance settings. To do so, we'll be utilizing the buttons located on the steering wheel to make adjustments within the gauge cluster. So we'll push one half of the button, either left or the right, and that should bring us close to our settings menu. Once we're in settings, we'll go ahead and we'll push the OK switch, which is the rotary dial. You'll just push inwards on it to make a selection of OK. In the menu, we'll scroll down to Maintenance and push OK again. You'll see that we're given several options. So here, we're given Service, Air Filter, Tire, and Other. The one that will correspond with your oil change intervals will be Service. If we select it, we'll be given information on when the oil service is due. The oil service is due in 9,788 miles, which with this vehicle having 33 miles on it, should get us close to the maintenance interval of 10,000 miles per oil change. If you do need to reset this, what you'll do is you will push and hold the OK switch on the steering wheel in order to reset the monitor. Once you reset the monitor, the mileage should go back up to over 9,000 miles before the maintenance is due. And that is all that it will take in order to reset your service monitor. To hop back out of this menu, you have the option of either pushing the back button on the steering wheel on the left-hand side, or you can push the right-hand button, and that brings you back out of the menu.